Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will create ball filling game in MIT App Inventor. So let me show you this app. Okay. So you can see that's our app here, right? So that's the start button. So click on this button, and here you can see that's the hole here. Can you see that one black hole? Okay. So we have to fill this orange ball. This one. Can you see this orange ball? We have to fill this ball in this hole. Okay, and here you can see the timing is start, and this one is 45 second, now 44 second, 43. Before going to 0 we have to make the score, right? Now how we can fill it? We are using your one sensor, so whenever I move my phone in the left, so this ball will move in the left. If I move this in the right, this will move in the right. You can up, down, anywhere. You have to just move your mobile. Okay, so let me just move my mobile to this, like this. You can see score is 1. Now let's make score, right? Let me just make it a score. Now 5, 6, we have 12, 10 seconds, right? Now you can see game over, restart button, and now score is final is 14, right? You can click on this restart button and you can see the game is start again. So that's our second part of this game. Okay, so in this part we will learn how we can code for this game. So make sure, please watch first part of this game for design, and that's the second part. Okay, so here we go. Now go to the block here and click on this orientation sensor, and whenever this sensor value is changed, okay, so we will move this ball. In which wall we have to move this wall, this one, wall 2. Okay, go to the block, it means click on ball 2, and you will see the option move, this one called move. And where we have to move, click on math. We have to use a one formula. Okay, so let's create one formula. This formula, drag and drop this here, and in the here we will get the role, get role. Okay, and we will add the get role value. No, sorry, delete this. Now we need to click on ball 2, and we will get the ball 2 dot x value here. Okay, and then we will use here maths function, and this should be minus, and you will see here this one minus. Drag and drop it here, and here we need one more thing, that one is into. So click on maths and you will find into option, this one. So make it here. Okay, and we will use, click on maths, drag and drop this number. We will into this -1 into get role value, and then we will divide it by 2. Okay, so for that we should use here divided value, like this one, sorry for that, like this, and we will divide it by 2, like this, right? Now let's copy and paste this and change this y and change this role to pitch. Simple. Okay, now whenever ball 2 collide with other, it means click on ball 2 and you will find here this one. When ball 2 collide with other, it means this one ball, then we will increase our score. Okay, so click on this horizontal and you will find the score value is which one, is this one, it means level 2, right? So we will increase the level 2 value. Click on level 2 and you will find set level 2 dot text, this one, right? And we will use your maths function to add value, plus, like this, then click on again level 2 dot text, plus we will copy this and use here 1, right? So whenever ball 2 collide with any other, then we will increase the value level 2 dot text, it means 0 plus 1 equal 1, then 1 plus 1 equal 2, and in that point we have to move the ball, we have to move ball 1, right, in the random position. So you'll see the call ball move dot, this one, then we will move in the random. So click on maths and you will find the random option. this one, and we will move it to at least 500. Okay, and copy paste this. Right, fine. Now what we will do, we will make it 0 also, no problem with that. Right, now we have to decrease the time also, right? It means that one is 10, now we have to decrease this time to 0, so for making this game over. So we will use here clock sensor, drag and drop this sensor here, go to the block and click on this clock. Whenever clock dot timer, then we have to decrease the value. It means copy paste this. It means they go to design. This label name is label 1, right? It means label 1 dot text should be this should be deleted, and click on math and you'll find minus option, this one. Label 2 label 1 dot this one, just copy this here and change it to label 1. Label 1 dot text should be minus with 1 whenever timed clock. It means this will call in every second, so we will minus the minus 1 from the label 1. Okay, fine. Now but we have to make your game over, so click on the control option, and whenever this will check the condition, if click on maths, this one equal sign, whenever the label 1, this one value is 0, label 1 dot text is 0, right, equal 0, then we have to make this game over, right? We will hide this vertical arrangement to this one. Okay, this should be false, and we have to make this another vertical arrangement, third should be on, right? So drag and drop this here like this and make it true. Right, now we have to reset our score value also. Okay, it means what we will do, we will set label 1 dot text value is again 1. Okay, this one sorry, 1 not 10, and we have to disable the timer also, right? So click on clock and you will find the option of timer enabled. This one should be timer false, right? This, and then we have to reset our score also, and but we have to display score, right? So where we have to display the score, in the vertical arrangement 3, in the label 4, your label 5. In which label, let me just check, hide this one, this one should be enabled, this one is a score, it means label 4. Okay, so in the label 4 we have to display the score. So change this text, label 4 text should be, this text should be coming from this label where we have increased the score, it means label 2 dot text, this one, right? And then we have to set this label to score also. After displaying the score, 2 dot text should be 0, right? Now we have to code for restart button. Okay, right, but make sure we have to this one like this. In the last we will disable this timer. Now we have to, whenever someone click on restart button, it means button 2. Okay, then we will make this set vertical arrangement should be true, and make this should be third. Okay, so change it and make sure this should be vertical arrangement 3 should be false, like this. Okay, now we have to enable the timer, right? Because whenever we click on the restart button, so we have to make this timer enable true, like this, right? This one should be 1, not -1. Okay, we have to make this timer false in this situation. If the table text dot equals 0. Then we will make it timer false, and we have to done label 2 dot text value also should be, this one is also 0, and we will make it in this situation, label 4 in this situation, and label text in this situation. And we have to make this set label should be here, and this one is here, right? Now we have to do one more thing here. Okay, so we have to disable this timer should be disabled, unchecked. Okay, then whenever we click on the start button, it means here, then we will enable this timer. Okay, like here, like this, right? Now fine. So that's all about it. Okay, so let me know if you have some doubt, and if you want to add some more features in this game and what we can do to improve this app. Okay, so just comment on the video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.